Hello Internet, thanks for tuning in into Lifestyle Infinite. Welcome to another DIY video. Today we will be upgrading my first laptop, which is Dell Inspiron N5110. I have been using this laptop since 2011. It packed some decent specs for its era, like it had Core i5 third generation, but still it did the job well. It had 4 gigs of RAM, which I later upgraded on to 8 gigs, DDR3 of course, and it had a 500 gig hard drive, a mechanical hard drive. So let's begin. For this upgrade, I am planning on upgrading the internal 500 gig hard drive to a 480 gig solid state drive. This Adata solid state drive is the cheapest I could find. Any SSD will be far superior to the hard drive which is already present in the system. As I am opening this system, I will be also replacing the CMOS battery. I've got this Phillips CMOS battery. Hopefully it will do just fine. This is the best I could find locally, and I don't trust in the online listings of Maxwell batteries because most of the times they are fake. And when I am turning on this laptop prior to this upgrade, the cooling fan made weird noises, so I decided to change the cooling fan as well. Let's start with the disassembling. The best part about this laptop is that it has a discrete GPU, NVIDIA GT520M to be precise. It was great for its time. I could play almost every AAA title in 2011. But as days gone, this GPU is no longer the best GPU, but far from the worst. So I've used this laptop for about 10 years, and during that tenure I have used this laptop quite rigorously. It has traveled with me long distances, and like it's with the mechanical hard drives, it dies no matter how safe you keep it. So I had to replace its hard drive once, and as the apps became more demanding, I also added another stick of 4 gig RAM. It had one slot extra, and with time the chassis also got degraded. I also replaced the bottom chassis of this laptop. The keyboard also died once. It is also being replaced, and the worst part is, in order to access its hard drive, you need to disassemble the entire thing. But the good bit is, you only need a good screwdriver to access its internals. I will be opening this laptop after a very long time. Let's see how it unfolds. This laptop had an interesting feature. It has a removable CPU. It could have been upgraded to Core i7, but who cares? Nowadays laptops have BGA instead of a PGA CPU. So you get what you get. You can never upgrade it. But back in the day, we could upgrade our CPUs if we want. And before I forget, the thermal compound I will be using on the CPU is a Cooler Master Gel Pro. It is a good CPU compound, and this is the best I could find locally. So let's see how it unfolds.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me me flying, never drop down. Drop down, smoking high, I am not round. I'm not round, no denying what I got now. I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down. Locked down, you're too strong. Wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on. The commander and the chief for my crew on. Bullets rattling and whistle at your toque. Never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop. It's a war zone. It's a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone. It's a war zone. Yeah, feel the impact. Yeah, break it open, leaving nothing fucking intact. Hey yo, you been hacked. You're safe, hard in, but I found it, homie, been cracked. Hey yo, we been back. You been stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Hey, you been whacked. I kill 'em all, feel a motherfucking impact. Yo, this a war zone, homie. Say you ready and prepared. Take a minute, make them aware. Well, I be sneaking in the back, but it's what the clap, homie. Life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud with a vision, saw it clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trenched out, trap house, nothing ever given. Yeah, every day's a blessing. Thank the Lord, oh how I'm living. See me riding with my top down, oh cops round, pedal pressing on the gas. I don't think I'll ever stop.
The reassembly is about to complete. Hopefully it all works after the upgrades. I will be posting future videos if it comes back to life. Meanwhile, I will salvage the data which I can from this old hard drive. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. Like if you loved it, subscribe for more. See you around.